Here's how to attach and reference external files in Google Docs, and the workaround since Docs does not support direct file attachment. Google Docs does not support traditional file attachments the way email does. The best alternative is to upload your file to Google Drive and share it as a link inside the document. This works for Word files, PDFs, Excel spreadsheets, images, and anything else. Go to Google Drive and upload the file you want to attach. Right-click it, select Share, then Share again. Change access to anyone with the link and click Copy Link. Go back to your Google Doc, place your cursor where you want the link to appear. You can type a descriptive label like "Click here to view the full report." Highlight that text, right-click, and select Insert Link. Paste the copied Drive link and click Apply. The text is now a clickable link. Anyone reading the document can click it to open the file directly in their browser or download it depending on the file type. This method works for every file type and is safer than traditional attachments since you control who has access through Drive's sharing settings. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.